Coconut oil is commonly used as a food source and a cooking fat substitute. It is a great alternative to most cooking oils as it constitutes a lot of benefits for well-being and health. Other than these benefits, coconut oil is also an amazing product for your beauty needs. Coconut oil is a convenient, organic, and a safer alternative to many traditional synthetic beauty regimens. It is a worthwhile addition to your daily cosmetics kit. In this video, we have listed 7 amazing uses of natural coconut oil to enhance your beauty and health, especially for hydrating and saturating skin. So, let's find out. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get a notification. We upload amazing videos like this every day. Here are the 7 amazing benefits of coconut oil. 1. Lip gloss. If you have chapped lips, you can try some coconut oil to get rid of them. Apply the oil like a lip balm or gloss. The natural alternative will give your lips a less dried out feeling and look. You can keep some with you in a tiny bottle or jar, especially when you are traveling, and use it whenever your lips have dried out. Just get a few drops of coconut oil on your finger and slather onto your lips without worrying about a big mess or strong smell. 2. Body scrub. Coconut oil works quite effectively and safely as a body cleanser. It clears away dirt, gets rid of old dead skin cells, and rejuvenates clogged pores. Make a blend of some coconut oil with salt and/or sugar and use it while bathing or showering. It will provide a more hydrated and youthful look. 3. Teeth whitener. Coconut oil is known to be effective in whitening and brightening your smile. Unlike store-bought teeth bleaches and synthetic whiteners, coconut oil is enduring, safe, and gives your teeth a cleaner gleam. It even removes most of the plaque and yellow coloration from your teeth. Coconut is one extraordinary solution for your teeth problems. 4. Removing cosmetics from your face. Makeup itself is very expensive. To add to that, the drugstore makeup removers are an extra added expense. Moreover, they are filled with chemicals, which dry out your skin or leave it prone to acne breakouts. Coconut oil is a healthy alternative to remove makeup from your face. It is a perfect hydrating method of cleansing your face after a long day of wearing mascara and lipstick. Just use some cotton balls or sponge pads dipped in coconut oil and dab around your face for removing everything you have applied on your face. 5. Eye cream made of coconut oil. The skin under your eyes is quite fragile and prone to easy damage, especially if not kept hydrated and free of irritants. Apply the coconut oil gently beneath your eyes to reduce the puffiness around the eyes. It also decreases the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. Coconut oil is a natural product, therefore it won't dry out your skin, and it is easy to wipe off easily if you're in a hurry. 6. Hair conditioner. Coconut oil is an amazing hydration product for your body, face, and similarly also for your hair. Just a small amount of coconut oil applied to your hair for no less than an hour will remove all the dryness and work as well as any regular conditioner. It turns any thick dried out hair into smoother hair with reflective sparkle, removing all the knots, tangles, and crunchy locks. 7. Frizzy hair care. For people with very hard to control frizzy hair, coconut oil is a must-have. They can use it as much as they desire for smooth waves and curls and get rid of bushy split ends and wiry, loose locks. It is especially helpful to them on really windy days as a natural control. Coconut oil is also quite less expensive than other frizz removal products available in stores. We hope this video helped to improve your health. Please share your experience with coconut oil in the comments section. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us and share this video with your friends and family. To learn more about healthy foods and natural remedies, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Stay healthy and fit. Thanks for watching this video.